Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into a topic that could change your life, your gut health, and how it's directly linked to your mental well-being. If you've ever experienced bloating, digestive discomfort, or anxiety, stick around, because today I'm going to show you how healing your gut can also help heal your mind, body, and overall health. Did you know that scientists call your gut your second brain? It might sound strange, but there's a powerful two-way connection between your gut and your mind called the gut-brain axis. Research shows that when your gut is unhealthy, it can lead to mental health issues like anxiety, depression, or even brain fog. But here's the good news. You can heal your gut and, in turn, improve your mental health using natural foods. Ready to learn how? Let's dive in. Your gut is more than just where food gets broken down. It's like a control center for many of your body's systems, including your brain. Here's why. The microbiome. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, both good and bad. This community is called the gut microbiome. These bacteria help digest food, absorb nutrients, and produce essential chemicals like serotonin, often called the happy hormone. In fact, 90% of your body's serotonin is made in the gut. When your gut bacteria are out of balance because of poor diet, stress, or antibiotics, it can trigger inflammation, disrupting this production of serotonin and leading to feelings of depression or anxiety. The vagus nerve. Ever get butterflies in your stomach when you're nervous? That's your gut-brain axis at work. The vagus nerve is like a highway between your brain and your gut, constantly sending signals back and forth. So when your gut is inflamed or unhealthy, those stress signals travel directly to your brain. Let's talk about some of the most common problems people face when it comes to gut health and how they might be affecting you. Bloating. You're eating what you think is a healthy meal, but you constantly feel bloated afterward. This could be because your gut bacteria are out of balance, causing gas production and inflammation. Irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Stress can worsen IBS, and IBS can worsen stress. It's a vicious cycle that millions of people are stuck in. This is because an unhealthy gut is sending distress signals to your brain, creating a loop of discomfort. Brain fog. Have you ever found it hard to focus or felt mentally drained for no reason? Poor gut health might be to blame. Toxins produced by bad bacteria can cross into your bloodstream, making their way to your brain, slowing cognitive function and causing that feeling of fog. Let's get to how to naturally heal your gut and, in turn, heal your mind and body. Eat prebiotic-rich foods like bananas, garlic, onions, and asparagus. Incorporate probiotics from yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. Focus on fiber from beans, lentils, whole grains, and leafy greens. Manage stress with mindfulness, yoga, or deep breathing. Avoid processed foods and sugar to help your gut heal and rebalance. If you're still wondering if this really works, let me tell you about some incredible success stories. There are countless people who have turned their mental health around just by focusing on their gut. A 2019 study found that people who consumed fermented foods daily experienced significant improvements in anxiety and depression. Even celebrities are jumping on board. Mental health advocate and actress Kristen Bell has spoken about how fixing her gut health with probiotics helped her battle anxiety. And she's not alone. More and more research shows that changing your diet can help heal your mind. So, how can you start? Here's a quick action plan you can implement right away. Swap your sugary cereal for a bowl of oats topped with bananas and chia seeds. Add fermented foods like kimchi or sauerkraut to your next meal. Drink plenty of water and cut down on carbonated sugary drinks. Dedicate just 10 minutes a day to stress-relieving activities like deep breathing or a short walk in nature. Remember, healing your gut isn't just about fixing bloating or digestion. It's about improving your entire well-being, mentally, emotionally, and physically. So what are you waiting for? Your gut might be the missing link to better health and happiness. Start making these small changes today and notice the difference in how you feel, from clearer thinking to a lighter mood. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. By taking control of your gut health, you're not just healing your body, you're healing your life.